also science. And if you learn to do this really well, your blood sugar will be regulated really well, and all of a sudden your body is going to be losing fat on its own as a byproduct. So this is a wonderful thing to learn. So if you basically have your meal, which is you take your portions down up to a size of a plate of 25 centimeter, 2 hands full. So out of that is a size of your palm will be your protein portion, and that would be your chicken, that would be your eggs, that would be your meat portions, your fish portions, and then you have another 2/3 of your plate. So 1/3 can be your rice, your potatoes, your pastas, your spaghettis, your bread even, and one side or 1/3 would be your fruits and vegetables. Now you can be consuming as salad portions or cooked vegetables portions, and make sure that you are adding a little legumes or chickpeas or beans to this salad mixture, which will help you with the fibers. Now one more thing is important is the fat content, because fat content should be incorporated into your meal either in your protein portion or your meat or fish or chicken, whichever you choose, and or in your vegetables if it's cooked. Now make sure that you're using fat sparingly, because the more oil you use is basically, yes, it's going to be making the food a little bit more tastier, but you have a lot of spices to add to your meals, so you can just use that. So think about that adding more fat to the meal, it doesn't mean that you are loving more the other person, that means you are giving the other person a little more heart attack. So think about that. You have to think about that. I know back in the old ages, oily food and having more fats and oils in the meal meant that you are more rich, you are loving your guests. But however, today that means that you are giving your guests a little more heart attack and a little more cholesterol and a little more obesity problems. So this was about our portions. I hope you remember that. You have 3 meals, then you have 2 snacks, and your snacks in between should be all fruits, nuts and seeds together, and also your water, remember that. Thank you. This was Dr. Zhu.